it's time. We're putting the Stark Varg in the highest power mode. So far, the highest I've run is 40 horsepower, so that's going to be mode 1. And in the highest mode, mode 5, we're going to run 80 horsepower. Context to 80 horsepower. The strongest race bikes, 450 gas bikes, are about 60 horsepower. We're running 80 on this bad boy. We got LA E-Rides. I got 6 GoPro batteries in my sock and the world's most powerful dirt bike in downtown LA. Oh, we got a nice little flower here. It's good luck. Alright, we're in mode 1. 40 horsepower. So this is already a fucking lot of horsepower. I haven't ridden this bike in a month because of the cutout issues. But there was just an update. So that should fix the cutout issues. That's why I'm testing full power. And I have the balls for it now. The balance point on this bike is so much higher than Sur Ron. You gotta throw it back. That's what I didn't realize at first. That's why I kept leaning so much when I wheelied it. You gotta throw the Varg a lot higher, which is kind of fun actually. Race right here on the green. No cheating. Oh, that's funny. So that's 40 horsepower. I gave it to him easy off the bat, but that's actually closer than I was expecting. Come on. Getting a hang of this bike.
How much power are you running?
That's 40 horsepower. I went easy on you, but you took me.
How much power are you running?
That's 40 horsepower.
Damn.
I went easy on you, but you took me.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's a cop right there. We are downtown right now. You didn't see that undercover right there?
Yeah, I saw it. Dude, there was a guy with the Stark that...
I saw.
Oh.
He jumped that. It's fucking insane. Dude, that's the best stoppie I've ever seen you do. Yeah. Come on.
I've been practicing.
Yeah, nice. Me too. They're fun.
Let's follow this highway.
Let's let this person... No. We're on our way to my favorite bridge where I'm going to turn it up to 60 horsepower. We got to pass through Skid Row first. This is where I was breaking down last time. I'm glad it hasn't cut out yet. There's the bridge. I'm about to go up into 60 horsepower, but the last time I spoke to somebody who's done 60 said he melted his motor doing it. I don't know if he pinned it for several minutes or something, but 60 horsepower is already competitive level 450 horsepower, so that's what we're turning it up to right now. Let's see if it can handle it. All right, 60. I also spoke with Varg and they were like, yeah, 45, 50 is crazy, but apparently 60 is where it picks up. Whoa. Holy shit! No way! No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. I don't even believe that. Holy shit. Dude! Holy f***! No way! That's what it's doing! No fucking way! No way! Holy shit! Let's turn it on. Oh my god, I gotta turn it down before I even pull over. Holy shit!
Dude, the way the bike picks up at the top end.
Bro, it... because you tried it at like 40 horsepower, yeah, and it just keeps giving, right? Now I put it at 60, and it just keeps giving. Like, I couldn't believe it. It's picking the wheel up at any speed with just the throttle.
Yeah, the way you took off, it was crazy. It's fast, man.
And that's only 60 horsepower. It still goes up to 80. How you feeling?
Good.
You didn't fall, did you?
Not really.
Not really?
I was wheeling, my knee slipped from the knee knocker, and it went in this little gap right here. What the fuck?
Oh. That's with me leaning forward. Oh, I want to race anybody, any Tesla, any sport gas bike. I want to race them on this. They don't stand a chance. You can't see shit. The bike's so big you can't see in front of you. All right, up to 60. Look at that! It picks the wheel up at any f***ing speed! Look how I just dusted them. They're both pinned right now. Dude. Oh wow, I'm having so much fun just doing power wheelies. Kill the bird! That was a bird?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Is the bird okay?
I don't think so.
57. If I give you a brake pad for brake, you?
It says I'm at 80%. I can't believe it.
You take pictures?
Wait, ready? Dude, I'm still at 80%.
No, you're lying.
I feel like it's lying. I don't believe it either. We already just looped the entire city and it only went through 20%. Now it's time to try full power.
So is that a motorcycle? I don't know because it's so petite.
This is our landing strip. I'm gonna start in 70 horsepower. So that's the mode 4 that I set. So I'm gonna go 1. So that's a mode 2, 3, 4. What's up, boss? We're just having a little bit of fun riding up and down. You think that's all right?
Right now, it's not too bad, but the street's gonna be filled with employees.
We're gonna be gone in like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
All right. I mean, yeah, 10 minutes.
Sweet.
Not too bad. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's gonna be filled, cars with employees.
Gotcha. We'll be gone by then. Thank you. Holy shit! Unbelievable. Now, so that was 70 horsepower. I'm gonna turn it up into 80. Strongest competitive gas dirt bikes are 60 horsepower. So we're doing 80. Here we go. Just when I think it can't get any crazier. Look at that cloud. Here we go. 80 horsepower. Full power on the world's most powerful bike. There's no words. No video is gonna be able to explain that kind of power.
Those are electric bikes?
Yeah.
Those are all e-bikes? Yeah.
It's the fastest bike.
That's the fastest e-bike you can buy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
80 horsepower.
Dude, this thing's so badass.
We gotta do a race.
We gotta race. So we'll do... Dude, wait, let me do one more pull.
Okay.
What setup are you running?
25 kilowatts at 500 face out.
On a Socian motor, EBMX battery, BAC 8000. Let me go up to 80 horsepower here. I'm gonna basically match you until you're top speed and then I'm gonna pull off.
1, 2, 3.
Gapped, smoked, walked. Makes the Sur Ronster a fully built Sur Ronster look like a little toy.
Oh, it's already snapping from the start.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate you letting us hang out. Have a good day. Oh, those brakes! Ah, Chinatown. This one's for Mao Zedong.
Is it real? Yes. Thank you, brother. Enjoy the rest of the day.
How is that street legal and not a f***ing Sur Ron? Oh shit.